Guys, it's Fonzie with DipYourCar.com, world famous peelable auto paints. We have a beautiful new aerosol to show you guys today, the Bronze Gold True Metallic. This is a stunning, beautiful, one-step gold finish. Not a metallizer, so you don't have to put a bunch of Plasti Dip down and then the metallizer on top. It's only 4 cans in the standard wheel kit. Super easy to apply, very affordable. We're gonna drop this on my RS6 wheels right now. Enjoy the video. Now we finished with the wheels. We're gonna go outside in just a second and check it out. The Bronze Gold, in my opinion, is beautiful just as it is. The standard wheel kit just comes with the 4 cans. You apply it directly to the surface of the wheel and you're done. Now it does come in a gloss variant as well if you're looking for a little more clarity and a little more shine. That's completely up to you. If you want to do your wheels in Bronze Gold, super simple, click right up here. It'll bring you to the Bronze Gold wheel kits. It includes everything you need to get the job done right. All the accessories, all the aerosol cans that you need. If you have any questions at all though, please contact us. Email CustomerService@DipYourCar.com. Chat with us directly on the website or call in. We love to talk to you guys about your dip projects. Let's go check these wheels out. It's Fonzie. I'll see you on the next video.